Name?
My name. My name.
Prince Admiral Stephen Matumbe, Nigerian consul.
+2. My 2 servants.
I don't have you on the list.
Could you...
Check the VIP list. And do not look me in my eye. Don't look at me. You look at the pod. You read the names, and you look at me and you close your eyes. Look at me. Don't look at me. Look at me. That was a test. You failed.
You, aren't on it.
All right, stall 'em, guys. AJ's on it.
Step aside, por favor.
Wait! This is all your fault. You know, I do what I am supposed to do. I clothe you, I feed you. And yet, your incompetence infuriates me.
Sir, I'm your bodyguard, not your servant.
Hey! You are what I say you are! Oh, God.
Sorry, sir. You got a fly on your face.
What?
Traditional sign of respect.
Okay, try it now.
Check the list one more time.
There it is. Sorry about that, Chiquitito. Headed right in.
I will go.
No,
Release me. This way. Where are we? I cannot feel my face.